Hi, so thank you for your order, and here is the file that you need to use. Here is the folder that you have provided. So these are the files. So you need to click on this. You need to get this file path first. Okay. So if I just click on this, get info, then I can select this, and then I say copy as a path name. Okay, so once I get the path name, double click on it. This will open this window. It will take around 10 seconds, I guess, to pop up to show you a message that press 1 for collecting subfolder data or 2 for file rename. So if you press 1, then it will ask you to enter the path of the parent folder. So then you can provide the path. It will collect those files, and then it will end this process, and you can see it's create an Excel file in that particular parent folder. So subfolder.xlsx, just open that file and fill out the main file data, and I'm going to just put ASCII number as a sequential number. Okay, so once we have done that, then you need to copy this file path. Okay, so you need to copy this file path because we need to use this for the next process. So I think just copy this file path. Actually I do have that folder path, so I can just add those file name at the end. So open this again. Now this operation is for renaming purpose, so use rename and then including file name and extension. So I had this folder path. I'm just going to add the subfolders.xlsx, and it will rename those and add this process, and as you can see, it rename this to proper number like this, and this 7, now 3, and you can see this is the main file and so on. So that's it. Thank you.